Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I have a package to open up on video. This is from my good friend Tara Finch. Hey Tara, thank you so much. She did contact me a while back. She texted me and said she was sending me some happy mail. So yay, I'm so excited. I've been forever wanting to open this since last Friday, I believe is when I got it. But with my son's birthday, I just, there was too much going on. And then I worked yesterday. So I just now have time to open it. So I will be right back. I'm going to go ahead and open the package and then I will show you the Happy Mail. So here it is. I pulled it out of the package and look at this beautiful, beautiful Happy Mail. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm so excited, you guys, because I've been wanting to open this. And she has a little card for me. Look at that. How cute. It's a little shaker. Did you, wait, no, did you make this? Or did you buy this? But anyway, it's so stinking cute. Aw, thank you. You're so sweet. Oh, you're so sweet, Tara. I know I have so much stuff to give you too. I just haven't had a chance to package everything up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's go ahead and dig in. And I'll just kind of talk while I'm opening things. Tara and I have gotten to know each other. Let's see, how did it start? Pretty much because of our mutual love for Bo Bunny. And we both go to Tuesday morning. I used to go a lot more to Tuesday morning. So anyway, yeah, that's kind of how it got started. Look at these lips. Oh my gosh. It's a lollipop. This is so fun. Okay. I have a feeling Genevieve is the one that's going to eat this because, yeah, she loves candy. Thank you so much. This is so sweet. Literally. And then, oh, your box got a little dented, but that's okay. Look, you can still see how pretty it is. She put this bow. I'm using one of those Alina Craft bows. And then, oh, wow, look at this trim. That is beautiful. Look at that bright pink. Whoa. And then she has it Velcroed, and it looks like there's more candy in there. So thank you so much. Look how pretty this champagne and strawberries. Ooh, that sounds good. She put some Reese's in there. Thank you so much. I'll be sharing this with my son because he loves Reese's. That's like his favorite. Oops, and one more chocolate right here that fell. He loves Reese's. So sorry about your box, Tara, but thank you so much. It's so cutely packaged. And then let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go ahead. I guess I'll start from the top here. Oh my gosh, is this a loaded bag? Ah, okay. I think maybe I should kind of move this and then I'll be back. Okay, so I think I'm able to just fit everything here, but I just kind of moved the shreds to the side and the other package to the side. So this is a rosette. How pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm still working on your stuff, girl. I'm so late with Happy Mail, you guys. I have at least a couple of packages to send, but I'm still working on it. So, and I'm sending a package today. So, oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. So she used, it looks like cupcake liners. That is really cute. I like how you did that. And then she used a couple of them. And then, ooh, look at this one. She used a rosette die and another or crepe paper heart shaped. She die cut it. That is so pretty. And then she used some glitterific and then this pretty bow with a bling on it. Some tulle. Yes. And then this pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. And then she has some ribbon and sequins trim and this heart trim from from Target, sorry. From Target. Oh my gosh, am I in frame? I hope I'm in frame. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. And then look, smooches. That is so cute. Love it. Thank you so much. Okay, and then she, let's see. Oh, look how pretty. Girl Squad. Love that washi. And then she made one of these loaded bags. Oh my goodness. And, oh, is this like a little tassel? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't even know where to start. First of all, look at this package, you guys. Look at this bag. So she altered a bag. As you can see here, she put down that paper from Michaels. I forgot what it's called, but it's the I think maybe it's Galentine. Oh, her rosettes are just to die for. I love them. And she layered it. Look at that. Or wait, are they individual ones? Let me see. So let me open this one. I wasn't sure if they're all the same layers. Okay, okay, they're individual. Oh, that's so cute. The little pocket. This is that oh, what is this called? But this is from Tuesday Morning, that little cookie pocket. Oh, that's a great idea. Great idea to put some rosettes there. How cute. Look how pretty. Aren't these just gorgeous? I love it. I love how you put all the glitter just on the edges. Yes, girl. Thank you so much. That is so pretty. And look at her bow. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, and look at this little cutie. I love this. Now, is this a die or did you cut this from something? I want to say it's a die, right? I didn't get any of these dies that, you know, those huggy critter ones. I don't even know what they're called. That is so cute. Thank you. Oh, look at that. She loved life and it loved her back. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the bracelet. Oh, thank you. Oh, blue moon. Okay. Thank you so much. That is so pretty. Everything's so pretty. Oh, and then she has, look at this little clip. That is so cute. Oh, I haven't seen those. And she put some trim. Really pretty. I think those are Target trims, if I'm not mistaken. And then, oh girl, this is a lot of stuff. Okay, oh, that's so pretty. Thank you. So she gave me some of these puffy hearts. Love these. Yes, I love these colors. Oh my goodness. And then did you make these? Wait. These are so cute. I love them. Look at all these cones. Oh my goodness. Yay. This is going to be so fun to use for summertime. Okay, let me put everything in here because I don't want to lose them. Thank you, Tara. That's so sweet of you to share some of your embellishments. I love them. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's lots more, guys. So this is beautiful, Tara. I love this tool. So pretty. Oh, and there's that ice cream. And she decorated, you can see that. How pretty is that, right? Love that. And I look at this. What is this material that you used? Or did you, that's a different texture. I like that. And then she has this tassel. Really pretty tassel. Love that. Beautiful. And then more goodies. She has oh, Girlie strawberry bark. Thank you. Ooh, one of these. And it's a unicorn. This is the Whack-A-Pack. Love it. Okay, I just want to make sure I didn't miss anything. And then, thank you, girl. You're going to fatten me up with all this sweet, sweet chocolate. Wow, this is like nice and heavy. It's like so sturdy. I love it. Oh, you made me some bows. Yay. Ooh, I don't have that swan. Is that one from Allie? It's so pretty. Okay, so really cute. I love the little pom-poms, the bling, and I love how you did different papers. So pretty. Thank you, Tara. Oh, and you made some. I didn't get to make these this year. Love it. I have that die. Yay. So pretty. Oh, thank you for this. I did not pick this up. I'd been eyeing it, but I didn't pick it up. So thank you so much. And then look, more. Oh, these are heart-shaped this time. Oh, thank you. I love how you did this. This is beautiful, Tara. Oh my gosh. I feel like I didn't do enough stuff this year for Valentine's. I don't know. I mean, I've been doing a little bit. Thank you. This is so pretty, girl. And then, like I said, we have this mutual love for Bow Bunny. Oh my gosh, Tara. Did you even tell me you're going to give me all this Bow Bunny? Oh my gosh. So, Tara goes to Tuesday morning like I do. And whenever we find stuff, you know, we'll text each other. And anyway, this is really pretty. I love it. Thank you for that. I'm gonna reuse that for sure. And look at this. I do have some of this collection. I want to say I do have the chipboard, so thank you. You know, I love having multiples because when you're creating, you don't want to run out of stuff. Oh, look at this one. I don't have this one. This one is, I'm not sure, but it has these pretty balloons, and it looks like it's very vintage. Does it have a name on it? Oh, it doesn't matter. It's a Bow Bunny. So, really pretty. Thank you. Oh my gosh, girl. It's like you just stocked up on you. Oh, thank you so much. Ooh, this is from, gosh, I can't even remember. Oh, Serendipity. Thank you, girl. I don't think I have this one. Oh, yay. Oh, look at this one. I can't remember if I have this one or not. I do have, I think I might have the ephemera. Shoot. I can't even remember anymore, but yay. This is perfect for 4th of July. Oh, yay, and you gave me 2. Woohoo. Yeah, I'm not sure if I have this. I want to say I don't. But I think I do have the small 6x6 paper, so thank you for that. Oh, girl. Yeah, Tara and I were like on the hunt for these Bow Bunny pieces. And oh gosh, girl, this is too much. This is too much. Love this. Oh, I love this. This is like one of my favorite ones from Bow Bunny. Thank you so much. You know, sometimes you pack all this stuff and you forget how they look like, and then you see it again and you're just like, oh. I love this. So you guys, this is the Sweet Moments. And I do have this collection, so thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, look at this. A bell girl, really? Aw, thank you. That is so sweet for you to think of me. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to play with this one. She says it makes a bell girl. Yay. Oh my gosh. Look at these. The brads for, oh, it says here, firecracker. So I guess that's the collection. Firecracker. Oh, look at this. See, now I have to see if I have this or not. This is going to be so fun to use for July 4th. I don't always do July 4th, but when I have, you know, fun ephemeras. And oh my gosh, even this one, the journaling cards. Girl, you found this too? These are amazing. You get so many. Look at that, 96. Oh, thank you, girl. I know for sure I don't have that one. And then she got me this one, and this one is, and I can't remember if I picked this up or not. But I will definitely put this in my fall stash. Thank you, Tara. Yes, all Bow Bunny. Oh gosh, look at this one. And this one is, I'm not sure from what collection, but it's gorgeous. And I love it. Thank you. And then this one here, this is from, again, I don't know, but I think it's from the same collection as this one right here. It's beautiful. Look at the birds. Like, this is a pretty, you know, you can do a vintage, springy project with that. That's pretty. I wonder what collection that is from. I'm not sure. And then I think she did tell me about this one, if I'm not mistaken. This is from Arya's Garden. And look at this. She gave me the whole 25 sheets, girl. This is a lot, but thank you so much. It's gorgeous. Isn't this pretty, you guys? And I was trying to collect this one too. And because these are like older papers, you guys, and it's hard to find them now. You know, you have to go to Tuesday. Well, if you're lucky, you can find them at Tuesday morning. So anyway, thank you so much, Tara. That's, everything's just beautiful. Thank you for my wonderful Bow Bunny and for your pretty loaded bag here. Oh my goodness. And with all the yummy handmade goodies that you made for me. Oh gosh, it's just, this is a lot. This is so much, Tara. Oh my gosh, be patient with me, girl, because I'm still like working on stuff. But I so much appreciate this wonderful heart mail, happy mail. Thank you, girl. Heart you. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later and I'll text you. Bye.